If you're new to making latte art, here are the basic latte art designs that you should start learning in order so that you can be able to grow and make perfect latte art on your cup of coffee. You're going to need to follow these latte art designs from the most basic one to a bit advanced ones. So let's start with our first latte art design, which is the heart latte art design. The next latte art design is the basic tulip latte art. It's a 1, 2, 3. This is the most basic of all the tulip variations. The next latte art design is going to be a stack tulip. This is an advanced latte art of the basic tulip. So we just increase on the number of layers on our tulip. Next latte art design is going to be a Swan latte art design. The next latte art design is going to be a rosetta, but one thing you should keep in mind, before starting to make a swan or a rosetta, you need to first learn and master the first two basic latte art designs, which are the heart and the tulip. From there you can be able to advance to make this much harder latte art design very fast. This will help you to grow and make better latte art within a short period of time. The next latte art design is going to be a winged tulip. This is the advanced latte art design from a tulip latte art. So you should try this after learning the basic tulip latte art. This next latte art design is a combination of two patterns, a rosetta and a tulip. So it's an inverted tulip rosetta latte art. So you start by making a rosetta as the base, then finish with a tulip at the top. The next latte art is going to be a swan, but it's going to be having a wiggled base. So you start by wiggling a base similar to that of a wig tulip. Then after you pour a swan on top of that base. So it's creating a base which is very big for the swan. The next latte art design is going to be a 2-layer heart. So you start by pouring one layer, then pouring the remaining hat on top of that layer, so creating a 2-layer hat. The next latte art is a bit advanced because it's a rose latte art. So you start by pouring a tulip but finishing with the rose shape at the top of the tulip. So this is how you can make it. All these latte art I'm making in these videos are in real time, me working as a barista and making them for my customers. Follow these simple steps so that you can be able to make good latte art on your cup of coffee.